Floor to Citoyens en Action pour la démocratie et le développement.
Mr. President, we draw Council's urgent attention to the grave issue of forced grab of vast areas of agricultural lands by Army in Sindh under the guise of corporate farming. In 2024, 52,700 acres of agricultural lands has been allotted to the Army for corporate farming. In 2025, the Army has asked for more than 10,000 acres of land encompassing a lake in Umarkot district. The Army is eyeing 1.3 million acres of lands in Sindh for their corporate farming plans. As in the past, the state is using ruthless force and intimidation to get lands vacated. The occupation of the lands is causing displacement and destruction of communities, perpetual poverty, destruction of habitats, and sites of historical importance. This is severely impacting rights of millions of Sindhi people to life, food, economic, and social well-being. The practice continues with impunity, with no justice for the victims. Therefore, we request UN to press upon Pakistan to ban allotting agriculture and residential rents to Army and their associates and get allotted lands recovered and be allotted to hundreds of thousands of landless farmers to alleviate the grinding poverty and suffering of millions. Thank you.
Thank you.